Hello students, welcome to the second year class of Computer Engineering and Information Technology for the data structure using C, and our subject code is 22317.
Today's video's learning outcomes. Today's video's learning outcomes are, as we will going to study chapter number 5, trees and graph. So in this chapter we will going to study introduction to trees and terminologies of trees. Okay. Introduction to trees. So as we had studied the fourth chapter, that is stack and queue, and before that we had studied array, then stack and queues. So these are the types of the linear data structure, and now trees and graphs are the type of the non-linear data structure. So far we have discussed mainly linear data structure: strings, arrays, lists, stacks and queues. Now we will discuss a non-linear data structure called as a tree. Trees are mainly used to represent the data containing a hierarchical relationship between the elements. For example, records, family trees and the table of contents. Okay. Here we will consider one a parent-child relationship. So this is our normal hypothetical family tree. Means Suresh is parent name, then grandparent, then Sunita, Samir, Sahil are the son, then their children is Rahul, Tina, Mala, Rahul and Tina of Sunita's, then Samir's Mala, then Sahil's Pooja and Nikita. Means this is the simple example of a family tree. Okay. What is tree? A tree is an abstract model of a hierarchical structure that consists of a node which with a parent-child relationship. Tree is a sequence of nodes. There is a starting node known as the root. Every node other than the root has a parent node. Nodes may have any number of children. Okay, see here, this is the diagram of the tree. A is the first node, B is the second, C is the third and D. Means again B has the E node and the empty node. A has the three children B, C, D. Then A is the parent of a B and C and D. Okay. Now we will see tree terminologies. Means tree terminology means the important terms related to the tree. Then these are the different tree terminologies, that is child, siblings, degree, internal node, leaf node, level, height, depth, subtree, forest, root, age and parent. These are the tree terminologies. We will see one by one. What is the means, what is child, what is parent of a tree, what is sibling of a tree. It's like this. We will see one by one. First tree terminology is root. The first node from where the tree originates is called as a root node. In any tree, there must be only one root node. We can never have a multiple root nodes in a tree data structure. Okay, see here, this is the example containing the nodes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. This is the sample tree of node. In this tree, A is the root node, and as root node is single, that's why only one root node containing this tree, means each and every tree containing only one root node. Okay, in this tree A is a root node. Now second terminology is edge. The connecting link between any two nodes is called as an edge. In a tree with n number of nodes, there are exactly n minus 1 number of edges. Okay. In this tree, there are different edges from A to C, edge from B to D, edge from B to F, and edge from E to J. Means, and in every tree, total number of node are n, then the total number of edges are n minus 1. So in this example, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So in this node there are the 11 nodes, that's why the total number of edges are 10. We can check here, there are 10 number of edges: A to B, A to C, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, in this tree there are 11 nodes and 10 edges. So next is a parent. The node which has a branch from it to any other node is called as a parent. In other words, the node which has one or more children is called as a parent node. In the tree, a parent node can have any number of a child node. So A is the parent node of a B and C. Then E is the parent node of the I and J. C is the parent node of a G and H. Then G is the parent node of a K. Okay, like this. In this there are the different parent node and the different child. Next is a child. The node which is a descendant of some node is called as a child node. All the node except root node are the child nodes. Okay, see here, in this tree there is a C, B, D, E, F. These are the child node. D is the child of a B. C is the child of a A. See here, in this node B and C are the children of the node A. Then node D and E and F are the children of the node B. Then node G and H are the children of the node C. Then node I and J are the children of the node E. Then node K is the child of the node G. Means in this way, the node which has a descendant of some node is called as a child node. Now siblings. So node which belongs to the same parent are called as siblings. In other words, nodes with the same parent are siblings node. So in this binary tree, G and H are the siblings of a C. Then D, E, F are the siblings of the B. But we can say that node B and C are the siblings, node D, E and F are the siblings, node G and H are the siblings, node I and J are the siblings. Means node which with the same parents are known as the siblings. Now degree. Degree of a node is the total number of children of that node. Degree of a tree is the highest degree of a node among all the node in the tree. See here, degree of a node means total number of children, and degree of a tree means highest degree of a node. Means in this tree, degree of a B is the 3, okay, and the degree of a C is the 2. See here, in the degree of a node A is 2, degree of a node B is 3, degree of a node C is 2, degree of a node D is 0, degree of a node E is 2, because E has the two nodes I and J. Okay, then degree of a node F is 0, because F has no node again. F is the last node of a B. So degree of F is 0, degree of node G is 1, then degree of H is 0, again degree of I, J, K are 0. So the highest degree of a node is 3, that's why the degree of a tree is 3 in this tree. Okay. Internal node. The node which has at least one child is called as internal node. Internal nodes are also called as non-terminal nodes. Every non-leaf node is an interval node. Okay, see here, in this tree B and C are the internal nodes. Again in this A, B, C, E and G are the internal nodes, because these nodes have at least one or more child. Okay, means non-terminal node, internal node are also called as the non-terminal node, means D, then F and H, these are not an internal node, but A, B, C, E and G are the internal nodes. Next is a leaf node. The node which does not have any child is called as a leaf node. Leaf node are also called as a external nodes of or a terminal node. Okay, this last node of the tree which has no child, then it is called as a leaf node. In this tree, node D, I, J, F, then K and H are the leaf nodes, because these nodes are the terminal nodes. So next is a level. In a tree, each step from top to bottom is called as a level of a tree. The level count starts with the 0 incremented by 1 each level or step. So at the level, at the root node, level is always 0. Then followed by root node, next level is 1. Then again next level is 2. And again next level is 3. Then in this way each level is increment by 1. Okay, and we can increment by 1, level can increment by 1 up to means we can reach up to a last node, that is terminal nodes or leaf node of the tree. So height, total number of edges that lies on the longest path from any leaf node to the particular node is called as a height of that node. Height of a tree is the height of a root node. So height of all leaf node is equal to 0. See here, in this tree height of a B is 2 and height of a H is 0. Okay, means total number of edges that lies from the longest path from the particular node. See here, B, height of a B is 2, height of a is 3, then height of a B is 2, height of a C is 2, height of a D is 0, height of a E is 1, means longest path. Okay, height of a F is 0, height of a G is 1, height of H is 0, height of I, J, K is 0. See here, A, height of A is 3, because A to B and B to D and also A to C. That's why height of A is 3, means height of that particular root node. Height of a tree is the height of the root node. So next is the depth. Total number of edges from root node to a particular node is called as the depth of that node. Depth of a tree is the total number of edges from root node to the leaf node in the longest path. Depth of the root node is equal to 0. The term level and depth are used interchangeably. Okay, see here, depth of the B is 1 and depth of the H is 2. So edges from root node to the particular node. See here, up to node H there are 2 edges from root node, means A to C and C to H, and node up to node B there is a one edge only, that is A to B. So depth of a node A is 0, depth of a node B is 1, depth of a node C is 1, depth of a node D is 2, means A to B and B to C. Okay, depth of a node E is 2, A to B, B to E, and depth of node F is again 2, depth of node G is 2, depth of the node H is 2, depth of a node I is 3, because A to B, B to E and E to I, that's why there are 3 edges, and the total number of edges from the root node to that I, there are 3 edges, that's why depth of a node I, J, K is 3. Okay, subtree. In a tree, each child forms a subtree recursively. Each child node forms a subtree on its parent node. In this tree, A is the parent node, A is the main root node. There are 2 subtrees in this tree. B as a parent node and C as a parent node. Then again E, I, J is the third subtree. So each child from a node forms a subtree. Okay, these are the subtrees. And also we can say that subtree means that tree containing nodes containing that trees itself. So forest. A forest is a set of disjoint trees. As word meaning forest. Forest means what? There is different trees are in the forest now. So same concept of these trees means collection of trees, collection of different trees. It's called as the forest. Means in actual forest there are number of trees. So in this forest also there are the number of trees in the forest. Okay. So out degree of a tree means total number of living vertices is known as the out degree, and in degree means total number of entering vertices is known as the in degree, and the total degree means the summation of in degree and out degree is known as the total degree, means total of incoming edges. So if F has the 0 out degree, so B has the 1 out degree, then in degree of B is also 1, out degree of node B is 2, because B from B to A and B to D. Then total degree of a node B is 3 means in degree plus out degree means 1 plus 2. See here again, G in degree of node G is 1 and in degree of a node G is 1 and out degree of a node B is 1. Node G is 1. In degree and out degree of a node G is 1 and total degree of a node G is 2. Okay.
Thank you.